Welcome to the Gadget Pimp channel. Today is the day. I got the latest gadget. I couldn't help myself. Let's see what it is. See what came in here. Alright. Out of the way. What we got? I got the Fold 4. Yes, I know in my past videos I said I was not getting the Fold 4 because of my bad experience with the Fold 3. You know, I had a video showing how the screen gets damaged easily just on heavy use. However, one of the biggest reasons why I got the Fold 4 is one, the resale value of the Fold 3 was real bad. So the most I can get for it in a reliable market was about $600 if I was lucky. And Samsung had a $1,000 credit. So that's the reason why I decided to go with it. Plus, I wanted the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. These are brand new. I'm gonna check these out. And what I got with it was, I got a case. You know, they give you, I think I had $300 credit, so I was just trying to spend it. This one came free with the phone. It came with a case and a pen holder. Then I bought another case, and I bought earbuds. Now let's take a look at the phone of the hour. All right, here we go. Straightforward. It looks pretty much like the other one. Alright, so this is pretty much it. It feels about the same as the 3. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to power it up real quick. Alright, it's powering up. Still see that crease that drove me crazy over time. They say it's better cameras, even though the cameras look pretty much the same. Pretty much straightforward. I have to put my SIM card in here. I still like the form factor of the S22. So I'm gonna hold on to this guy into the S23, give this one more shot. What I'm gonna do now is put my information in here and see how I like it. All right, I got the phones connected. I'm going to let this sit here and do its thing. See how long this bad boy takes. Based on this, it says about 42 minutes is left. Let's see how long it really takes. All right, it is all done. So now let's take a look at the Fold 4, see how we like it. I'm gonna unplug this. Move you out the way real quick. Now, I had the Fold 3 for maybe about 9 months before I decided no more Fold 3. I'm going to stick with the S22 Ultra. But, you know, I must say it still feels good in the hands. Everything feels good. Got all my stuff transferred over. It's still organizing files. Let's take a look at the Fold 3. Alright, here go the Fold 3. This bad boy, like I said, it felt good, but this crease drove me crazy. And also, these cameras were subpar. Some people have said, oh, what's so special about the cameras? I don't get it for the cameras. Actually, for me, I get the phone for the cameras. These cameras are a little bit better. Of course, it's nowhere near the Ultra S22, but I hope they could fill in the gap for a little bit. But pretty much everything is pretty much the same. But what I did do is, I always buy a rugged case to try to protect it as much as possible. Let's take a look inside of here. Pretty much has a rugged case. Slide the phone in here and everything that snaps in protects the phone. Let's take a look at it. Alright, let's put this bad boy on. Start off with the front cover first. Should be straightforward, it snaps on. Alright, this is with the case on. Everything is on. Take a look at it. It's a little clunky. You can hear it. It don't seem very smooth at all. But it's rugged, so that's one good thing. Now let's look at this case right here. This is the one I got from Samsung for free. Well, as we all know, nothing's free, but this is the one I got from Samsung. Sound like the pin is in this box. Case is over here. So it's pretty much two pieces. You can see the tips for the pin. Give you the tips. So this one is the Samsung version. I want to have a little what is this? Alright, little kickstands. Dang, I think I like the Samsung version better. It don't protect the hinge, one thing I don't like, but okay, so this slides out and you can put the pin instead in. Alright, so this is interesting. I might consider this, I'm not sure. See how I like it. Let me put it on and see how it looks. So for the most part, when it's not in the case, this hinge is exposed. Once you get it in the case and you open the phone, the hinge is protected. But once you close it, the hinge is exposed. I gotta really sort that one out. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna give the Fold a second chance and see if after a few weeks of taking pictures and all that good stuff and doing things with it, will I like it better than the Fold 3. For the most part, it should be an upgrade. The question is how much of an upgrade. Alright everyone, thanks for watching my video. Catch me in the next one. Peace out.